Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade crypto in Exness Mobile App. To get started, open the Exness Mobile App on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can clearly see the main navigation and your account interface. If you are already signed in, you'll be ready to move straight into the trading section. If not, complete the normal sign-in process before continuing. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom of the app and tap on Trade. This area is where you can view available instruments and access the market for placing orders. The bottom navigation bar helps you move between sections quickly, and the Trade tab is the one you'll use whenever you want to open a new position. After that, select the symbol you want to trade. In this example, you'll choose the sample symbol shown on screen. This symbol represents the crypto market you want to enter, so take a moment to make sure you've tapped the correct one before moving on. Choosing the right symbol is important because each asset has its own price movement and trading conditions. Next, tap either buy or sell, depending on the direction you expect the market to move. If you believe the crypto price may rise, choose buy. If you think the price may fall, choose sell. This is the point where you're deciding how you want to enter the market, so it's a good idea to double-check the current price and your intended direction. You'll then be prompted to enter or select the amount you want to trade. Use the sample amount shown if you're following along with the example, then continue by following the on-screen procedure in the app. As you do this, pay attention to the order details displayed on the screen, such as trade size and any other settings the app asks you to confirm. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid mistakes before the order is submitted. Finally, tap the confirmation button or place order to complete your buy or sell trade. Once you do that, the app will process your request and submit the order based on the details you selected. After placing the trade, you can monitor it inside the app and review the position from the trading area. That's the full process for trading crypto in the Exness Mobile App. Move carefully through each screen, verify your trade details before confirming, and follow the prompts shown in the app to complete your order smoothly.